Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can list multiple items in one listing. Now first thing you need to do, you want to just log in into your eBay. After that you want to click on sell. Now next thing you want to click on create listing, and then after that you want to enter here the title of your product and then click on search. Now next thing you just need to select your category if they ask you. Now I'm going to go with this category, for example, and after that you want to click on new. Depends on what you are selling. If you are selling a used item, you want to go with used or pre-owned. Click continue. Now after that what you need to do, it's very important, is you want to click on three little dots in the top right, just in case you didn't enable the variation option. In the top right, click on three little dots, click on settings. Now after that you want to enable variation here. Okay, so after you enable variation, you want to scroll down and then you will find here this variations, save time and money by listing multiple variations of your item in one multi-quantity. You just need to click on edit. Now after that you can now add like multiple items in one listing. How? Like for example, I'm going to delete this, like whatever you see here, just click on this X, and then add your own. In the attributes, click on add plus add. You can add color, you can add size. If you don't see here what you want to add, you can add your own here. Click on add your own attribute. Now I'm going to add, for example, colors and click save. I can also add sizes. Click on add your own sizes, save. Now if you click on colors, you can now add different colors that you have. I have red color, I have yellow color. Now I have two colors. I'm going to click on size now. Now the size, this comes with XL size, comes also with M size, whatever XXL size. Now after you are done, now you have two colors here, three different sizes. Click on continue. Now scroll down. Here you will have to enter the price for each color, each item. Now you have 6 items here. For me, I have 6 items. You just need to enter the price for each item. Now I'm going to enter $20 for all by clicking on this check, and then I'm going to enter the same price for all these different items. Of course, you can always change the price for a specific item. For example, this red color, I want to sell it for $40. You can just change it here. Now after that, what you need to do is, you can also click here where it says use default photos, and then click on colors. Now because I have 2 different colors, you can also, this is not like important, but it's optional, like you can just click on red color and you can add from your laptop the item that is red, so that when your customer selects, like they select red, they will be able to see the image immediately and see exactly what they are buying. Even if you are selling something else like cards or whatever, just add the card named whatever here. Click on add from computer, add the color. This is just an example, by the way. It's not yellow, so if you click on red, you can then add red color. After that you are done, click on save and close. And after that you want to come up with a description. Just click on use AI description. Now that's it, and then click on list. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.